in a shocking incident, Delhi police are hunting Chaitanya Nand Saraswati, also known as Parthasarthi, the manager of Vasant Kunj Ashram, for allegedly molesting around 17 girls from the institution. A case has been registered at Vasant Kunj North Police Station based on the statements of the victims. The accused owns a luxury car with a fake number plate bearing a UN registration. The car, in fact, has been impounded, and further investigation revealed that no such number has been issued. The police are currently tracing the accused's location. Shri Jagadguru Shankaracharya Mahasamsthanam Dakshinam Naya Shri Sharada Peetham Srinagari has now officially distanced itself from Swami Chaitanya Nanda Saraswati, formerly known as Swami Parthasarthi. In a statement, the Peetha said the Swami engaged in activities that were illegal, inappropriate and detrimental to its interest. As a result, all the ties with him have been severed. The Peetham has also lodged complaints with the relevant authorities regarding the illegal acts committed by Swami Chaitanya Nanda Saraswati.
कंप्लेंट अगस्त के महीने में रिसीव हुई है। एफआईआर दर्ज की गई थी एज पर लॉ। सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट की कंप्लेंट आई है और एग्जैक्ट डिटेल्स हमें डिस्क्लोज करना आपके लिए अनुचित होगा। अभी धीरे धीरे सबके स्टेटमेंट्स लिए जा रहे हैं। अभी तक छात्राओं के स्टेटमेंट्स लिए जा चुके हैं। जैसे जैसे आगे होगा आपको बता देंगे। मेन अक्यूज्ड और जो मेन एलिगेशंस हैं वो जो चैतन्यानंद सरस्वती है उसके अगेंस्ट है और बाकी जो फैकल्टी है उनका रोल भी एग्जामिन किया जा रहा है। नई दिल्ली पुलिस पूरा प्रयास कर रही है और दक्षिण पश्चिमी जिला पूरा प्रयास कर रहा है कि अक्यूज को जल्द से जल्द पकड़ा जाए।
We've got some ground reports also coming in. Let's take a look at that.
यही वो आश्रम है जहां पर श्री शारदा इंस्टीट्यूट चलता था और देखिए यहाँ पर जो है पीजी डिप्लोमा की पढ़ाई होती थी और यहीं पर आरोप लगाया गया है कि यहाँ पर जो संचालक था उसने लड़कियों के साथ में जो स्टूडेंट्स थी उनके साथ व्यवहार किया। स्वामी चैतन्यानंद सरस्वती और पार्थ सारथी जो है वो उसका नाम बताया जा रहा है और इसमें बात यह है कि खुद जो मैनेजमेंट है उसी ने शिकायत की थी और पुलिस को सूचित किया था 4 अगस्त को, जिसके बाद उसके खिलाफ जो है पुलिस ने मुकदमा दर्ज किया है। आरोपी फिलहाल फरार है और आपको बता दें कि इसी इंस्टीट्यूट के अंदर जो है बेसमेंट से एक लाल रंग की वॉल्वो कार जो है वो मिली है और उस पर एक फर्जी नंबर लगा हुआ था 39 UN का और बताया जा रहा है कि अपना रसूख दिखाने के लिए, झूठा रसूख दिखाने के लिए यहाँ पर वो उसका इस्तेमाल किया करता था। पुलिस इस मामले में जांच कर रही है और इंस्टीट्यूट की जो फुटेज है उसको अपने कब्जे में ले लिया है। साथ ही उस कार को जिसका फर्जी नंबर प्लेट लगा इस्तेमाल किया जाता था उसको भी पुलिस ने कब्जे में ले लिया है। वसंत कुंज नॉर्थ थाने में ये जब इस शिकायत मिली थी इसके बाद में आपको बता दें कि पुलिस ने 32 लड़कियों से जो यहाँ इंस्टीट्यूट में पढ़ाई कर रही थी, पीजी डिप्लोमा कर रही थी मैनेजमेंट के अंदर, उनके बयान दर्ज किए गए जिसमें 17 लड़कियों ने इस बात की पुष्टि की कि हाँ उनसे अवैध भाषा का इस्तेमाल होता था, उन्हें आपत्तिजनक मैसेज जो है वो भेजे जाते थे। और इसकी जब शिकायत हुई है तो पुलिस ने उन 17 में से 16 लड़कियों का जो है मजिस्ट्रेट जो है पटियाला हाउस कोर्ट के उनके सामने बयान भी दर्ज कराया है। और इस मामले में आपको बता दें कि जो आरोपी है अभी भी फरार है। लास्ट लोकेशन जो है इसकी आगरा की पता लगी थी। इसके बाद दिल्ली पुलिस लगातार जगह जगह जो है दबिश दे रही है, आरोपी की तलाश की जा रही है, हालांकि अभी तक फरार है। तो बड़ा मामला सामने आया है कि वसंत कुंज में किस तरीके से एक आश्रम जिसके अंदर एक इंस्टीट्यूट चलाया जा रहा था, मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट, श्री शारदा मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट, वहां पर ये घटना सामने आई है और ये मामला 4 अगस्त को प्रकाश में आया था, जिसके बाद पुलिस जांच कर रही है। लेकिन हैरत की बात यह है कि आरोपी अभी भी पुलिस की गिरफ्त से दूर है। वीडियो सहयोगी राजेश के साथ जितेंद्र भाटी में भारत दिल्ली।
All right, my colleague Sabyasachi is joining us live on the broadcast to provide us more details. Sabyasachi, last development that we had was about the police trying to find the location of accused. Do we know anything about his whereabouts yet?
First of all, we are reporting from outside the Sri Sharda Institute of Management. Now, the whereabouts of the accused Chaitanyanand Saraswati is still not known to the police. Now, the police says that his last location was traced in Agra, and continuously are over 200 CCTV cameras in the ring road and adjoining areas has been looked by the Delhi police, and they are still looking for him and is still absconding. Whereas as per the called records and the data that has been accessed by the police, his last location was found near Agra. Now, this particular matter that has been reported from the national capital has escalated because there has been certain lapses from the management side as well. Because see, the Swami Chaitanand Saraswati, who has been accused by around 17 of the students. Now, this is not the first time that serious allegation has been made against him. That the first allegation was made against him back in 2009 of fraud as well as of molestation in Defence Colony. In that particular case, he was not arrested by the police. But in 2016, again, a molestation case was filed by a woman from Vasant Kunj area, and in that particular case, the police did arrest him, but he was out on bail. And despite knowing the fact, the management of the Sringeri Mutt were aware of the fact that this particular Swami has a tainted history and he is a history cheater, but despite that, he continued to serve as the director of the institute from the last 12 years. Now, this raises a lot of question because all the 32 female students have raised time and again have raised their complaint to the management, and after that the management have registered the complaint at the Vasant Kunj police station, and after which the case have been registered. But there are also allegations that has been come out from the female students that 3 of the faculty members out here, in fact, they pressurize these students to accept the demands of the Swami, and that particular angle is also being investigated by the police. What we are learning from the sources is that the police have questioned all the 3 faculty members, but their role will only be established after the arrest of Swami Chaitanand Saraswati, and that is the reason why the police also have escalated their search, and the police is hoping that they would catch him as soon as possible.
Sabyasachi, what about the case around this luxury car with fake number plate, and also if you could highlight if any action was taken against him when there was this case against him back in 2020, like you mentioned?
Well, see, the car, the Volvo car, which has been found in the basement in the institute. Now, that particular car was used by the accused, what we are picking from the police sources. Now, that particular car has a UN number. Now, police, after investigation, found out that the number plate was false, the number plate was fake, and the police currently have lodged a separate case in this matter as well. And the police is also finding out that how did he have an access to a diplomatic number plate. Now, if you talk about the cases, the past cases which has been registered against him, see, 2 cases have been registered against him in the past. One is in 2009 of fraud and molestation that was registered in the Defence Colony area, and the second case was in 2016 that was registered in Vasant Kunj of molestation, and the arrest was not made in the 2009 case. The arrest was made in 2016 case, and he was currently out on bail. So he has a tainted history. He's been a history cheater, but despite that, the management of the Sringeri Mutt continued to extend support to him, and this was not the first time that the students have raised a complaint. In fact, several of the students have in fact come on record as far as the police statement is concerned. They have confirmed to the police that yes, the Swami used to send them obscene messages, used to touch them inappropriately, and that they have complained to the management, and later the management had reached out to the Vasant Kunj police station to register an official FIR in this case.